Here we go, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system at institutional entry points. Scanner giving you multiple alerts. What does this identifies? This identifies congruency. Those of you who've been in the room this entire morning, you knew extremely well. As I spelled out the entire morning, this is not the place to short. We knew this many days, weeks, and months in advance. Your only option to buy from. When congruency is present, this is institutional buying again. I just came back from Miami. Lunches with top hedge fund managers that last 5-6 hours. Nothing else to do because the biggest profits made in the last 100 years. So what does the intelligent trader do who just took this trade from institutional support level, obeying this target in front of you right now? You're operating as a sniper. You are not trigger happy cowboy, correct? Key target is reached. The trade is not on 1 minute chart. Trade converted to 1 minute to the trading room only. And that's the power of this system. Correct? If I convert this chart to 2 or 3 or 5, massive number of trades are present. Students sharing time and time and time again. Identical rules present on all the other instruments. King is killing it on Swiss dollar, so is Denzel. Ultimate precision in front of you during the worst market conditions. Every trader decides what instrument they want to trade. CEO killing it on pound futures. Legend in the making. Enjoy. Rajesh killing it on Nasdaq, 3 wins, $1,500. Boom. These are my intelligent, brilliant, strategic traders. No speculation here. None are present. And this been extremely challenging morning. Mine have been done long time ago. 40 minutes after market open, brilliant and flawless, 4 points on S&P, 30 points on Dow. This is our community of incredible traders in London, in Australia, in New York, in Florida, in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai, in Jersey. Stunning, incredible work. Your patience, your effort paying off. You never shorting near institutional support. Ultimate weakness the entire morning. Not anymore. So identical event that played out in March 2020 at 2200 level at institutional entry points playing out in front of you right now. Take a look. And remember, we knew this in advance. Many days and weeks in advance. Institutions been buying at this level since early April. You are never shorting near reversal zone. All the details in live class and video library and modules you can enjoy 24/7. I am very proud of system I developed. I constantly develop new systems, new strategies. My students who making an effort, my friends for life. It never gets old to open the email each and every morning, to see the emails I receive from my incredible traders. If these traders can do it, so can you. What is stopping you? So what do you see is happening on this trade? Key target is reached, correct? As I spell out in each and every class, ultimate precision, rule-based trading is a key. If you'll ever choose to ignore target as decision point 2, success is not possible. This is the key. This is what these traders do. Flawless, incredible work. Stunning. So, Alphys, please do share what you think of a system. share anything you wish as see your posts. Simple. Alpha Fibonacci rocks. That's it. This is your ultimate trading precision during the most challenging market conditions, which can last many months, even years. Because top 1% does not like paying taxes on the biggest profits in 100 years. But this is institutional resistance. This is a brick wall. Can we see another horrific crash? Of course. You must be prepared for any and every market event. This sell-off is being stopped by this institutional support. That intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knew many hours, days and weeks ahead. But if you will ever ignore key target, you're creating your own system. Please do not do that. So as just sharing accuracy and flexibility, what more could a trader want? So this is what I love, this, as my students become my dearest friends for life. Brett is a student who finished course years and years ago. Very personal exchange. And what else does he say? Baby always needs a pair of shoes, correct? So on that particular day, he decided to look on the chart and he decided to take a trade. But if you understand what Brett does, if you listen to his podcast, this is a trader who was making $10 an hour with family of 5 at Best Buy. He saw the video on YouTube and he instantly signed up. This is what he's done. Right now it is so much more. This is a disciplined trader. Years and years later, it never gets old. It never gets old. It never gets old. Hundreds and thousands of emails later, what are you waiting for? These are my incredible traders this morning. What more could a trader want or ask for? So those of you who have been in the room this entire morning, you witness the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. You witness how firm we remain. We identified institutional support. We discussed this weeks and months ahead. This morning we identified that buyers are extremely weak. This morning you witnessed how crucial this moment was. Price never skyrocketed through this level, but we remained firm, absolutely no shorts near institutional support. So when key trade reaches your crucial target, you exiting your trade and moving your stop outside of break even. The only excuse for you to remain in this trade, if you're trading multiple lot sizes, you are disciplined, powerful, rule-based trader. You are not trigger-happy cowboy. Because if this trader shown you this morning that you can do it on any instrument you choose, because system based on pure price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci only, you can trade anything you choose. Traders from micro to macro account trading globally for the last 10 years. Brilliant and flawless. It never gets old. I'm simply asking you to make an effort. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. And all of this during the worst market conditions. If you can deal with these market conditions, everything else will be a breeze. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. Proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system traded globally on Wall Street by institutional firms, by hedge funds, by traders of all ages, from 11 years old to 90 plus, from micro to macro account, from future stocks, options, forex, from Thinkorswim's TradeStation, Sierra charts, interactive brokers to lifetime software on Ninja 8. So if you would like to listen to Brad's podcasts, 3 podcasts posted, please do. If you'd like to listen to Manuel, who brought his beautiful wife to the course, and his best friend, podcast with them coming soon, Carlton, my dearest friend for life, trading for hedge fund, I speak with him tonight. Ken is trading cryptocurrency on his iPhone. Movie Maker made a movie about his life. Richard killing it on his retirement account. David trading it all. View the emails. Listen what students say and listen to podcasts. Choose the option appropriate for you. Lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8 and any platform. Classes are live. I love to teach. In group course, I dive as much as I can into price, into rules. In private entering, I go a lot deeper. I actually give you homework. I actually keep you accountable. I actually quiz you when we meet one-on-one. And you do have access to all group courses, live trading room, video library, and modules. Any questions for me? Please do not hesitate to contact me, but review all of this information first. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And take a look what happened with this trade, shock or not. Of course, ultimate precision, ultimate rule-based trading, each and every day, by traders in 50 plus countries of all backgrounds. If these traders can do it, so can you. What are you waiting for? And that's institutional precision during the worst market conditions with Alpha Fibonacci system.